gourmet chef Gav in the studio. Are the headphones ruining my hair?
No, it's just the bubble.
There's a bubble. Well, I am like a bit of a bubblehead. I'm like the Cheshire Cat today. Not only have I convinced everyone that we need to get Todd in drag,
yes,
you have brought in a dessert. How did you know that was my favourite meal?
I didn't. Is it?
Well, any meal is, but I do love some dessert.
Do you? You dessert girl. Sweetness.
When I saw sugar, butter and lemon, I thought, done.
Well, see, the beautiful thing about lemon curd is it's not that sweet. You get the sweet and you get a tartness.
You do, which is, the balance is perfect. So it is lemon curd that we're talking about today.
Yes.
Very simple recipe. There's only 4 ingredients.
Traditionally, there's 5, but I don't like the 5th one in mine.
Is it salt?
Zest.
The lemon zest.
Yes, I find the zest gives it a texture I'm not overly happy with. I like the smoothness of just the curd.
So you feel like you can still get enough tang.
The CWA out there now, ladies, are already writing in going, you've got to have
and
zest.
They're vicious. When I entered that cake in the War Hope show that time back in 2000.
Oh, did you just blow into town and enter the cake?
Well, I'd been living there for a good year, but let's just say I didn't win.
No?
No. So you think it's tangy enough without it?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. Well, I've been sort of doing some research about it, and apparently you can refrigerate.
I'm going to have to start researching when I bring you in meals because you've always got questions.
I know.
Internet's a terrible thing.
I'm such a nerd alert when it comes to food. You can refrigerate for up to a month.
Yes.
The lemon curd. So this is great.
Jar, like the jam jars.
Yeah.
Just put the lid on it, airtight it. Yeah, it's beautiful.
And you can keep it in the freezer forever.
12 months, 18 months, thereabouts.
So you can whip it out and be like, oh, I just made this on the weekend.
I just had a thought you could freeze it in ice cubes. You know your ice cube blocks?
Yes.
You could freeze it in ice cube blocks and then add it to your favourite alcoholic drink beverage, say like a vodka, and just drop in an ice cube of lemon curd.
Or a gin lemon curd.
Yeah.
Oh, on a summer's day, a bit of a spritz.
Be nice, wouldn't it?
I like this. Will you tell us some other things you can put the lemon curd in? And I'm going to eat because I've been so refrained here.
Well, the most famous one is the lemon meringue pie. So
the best.
You get to use the egg whites for the top and then just burn them off, a little bit of sugar. But limoncello is another one. You can... The vodka and the lemons work really well together. But those lemons on that curd are from the tree in my backyard.
That is a good lemon tree. That's a good lemon curd. So I've got it with some puff pastry.
Yeah, I just store-bought puff pastry. You got a muffin tray, cut it a square and then put the triangles up on the side.
And the cream on top.
And then, finished it with just a little thickened cream whipped.
One complaint. You could have put a little bit more lemon curd in here. Did you eat it?
Maybe some of it.
It's so good.
There was quite a bit more, and now there's not.
Did you lick it?
No, I did not lick it. Just your one. I licked your one.
It's still really good. Even if you did, I'd still eat it.
No, it's good with so many things. It's so versatile and it keeps so long, and it's just a beautiful, tangy, summery dish, and we're in the middle of winter.
Absolutely. Or if you can't, be bothered putting it between 2 macarons or putting it as a topping, just get the spoon and go for gold.
That was so simple. It's even with cream.
Delicious.
If you could do it like a biscuit base, like you do your cheesecakes and slices.
Yes.
You could do a biscuit base, cover it with lemon curd and whipped cream.
Bit of a tart situation almost.
Do you look like you look?
I love a good tart. And
I was going there, but I stopped.
When the camera goes off, I'm just going to pick this up and just nail it. Okay, I'll just have one
bite. Shove it
bite.
in your face. Okay, right. It's so many different things going on. The pastry gives it a bit of crunch because I like my zest really, my curd really, really, really smooth, which is why I don't like the zest.
But it's still tangy.
Yeah.
Love it. Well, Gourmet Gab, you've done it again. I'm very sad that as of next week, Mark is back, not me.
Well, Mark never gets anything as nice as you do, let's be honest.
Do him brains or something. Lamb's fry. Yeah, when he...
Do you think he needs brains?
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. You did.
You're insinuating that Mark needs brains?
There you go. Yeah. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Amazing. There you go. Gourmet Gav, he is back with Mark with some brains. Okay. One of you need to have it.
2NURFM, a broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.